This week in Rivian news, a brand new charging site to fuel your next adventure, major software upgrades rolling out, and a must-watch talk from Rivian's top leaders you won't want to miss. Plus, some big updates on delayed accessories and a fresh twist on Rivian's referral program that could save you thousands. Let's get into it. First up today, Rivian just announced its newest Rivian Adventure Network site in Walker, Michigan, with 6 DC fast chargers, including a trailer-friendly charger. This makes exploring Rivian's West Coast, sand dunes, hiking, off-roading more accessible than ever. Here's a look at the Rivian charging coverage in the area. Combined with Tesla's superchargers, you'll have no problem taking your Rivian anywhere. Next, Rivian has started rolling out software 2024.31. This update brings key quality of life improvements like interior accent lighting customization for Gen 1 vehicles and better navigation and climate controls across all models. This is a small update that's all about refining the experience and fixing bugs from the Connect Plus update. If you want a deeper dive into these changes, check out my dedicated video linked here. Coming up soon, Rivian's Chief of Software, Wasim bin Said, will be speaking at TechCrunch Disrupt 2024 about the technology powering Rivian vehicles. Think software, hardware, battery management, and more. There's even buzz that he could take on a major role in Rivian's $5 billion joint software development venture with Volkswagen. The event will be held at Moscone Center in San Francisco from October 28th to October 30th of 2024. So if you're interested, add this to your calendar as there may be some nuggets of information for those interested in Rivian. Also, don't miss Rivian CEO RJ Scaringe's talk on September 19th about clean energy tech with the Atlantic's Derek Thompson. Maybe RJ will share some more insights into the future of Rivian too. Next up, some not so great news for anyone waiting on the Rivian Travel Kitchen. Production has been delayed until the end of 2024 due to an unforeseen manufacturing issue. Some lucky buyers got theirs before the delay, so if you did, consider yourself very lucky. You've got a Rivian unicorn. Rivian has not shared any other details about the delay. Hopefully it's a small issue that will be ironed out sooner rather than later. In the meantime, if you're looking for a great alternative, check out this Amazon induction cooktop, link in the description below, to hold you over in the meantime. Next, a big update to Rivian's referral program. Now you can use your own referral code when buying another Rivian. So if you're planning to add another vehicle to your garage, you'll earn $1,500 and 6 months of free charging on both the old and the new vehicle. I always tell people to use someone that you know with a referral code first, but if you don't know anyone with a referral code, feel free to use mine. Link is in the description below. And speaking of new Rivians, keep an eye out on the R1 shop for the upcoming tri-motor R1T and R1S, which should be available in the next few weeks. That thing is going to be so fast. But that's it for this week's Rapid Fire Rivian update. If you enjoyed this, please hit the like button. It really helps my channel. Don't forget to subscribe for next week's news and more content from my 2024 Rivian R1T. And remember, adventure is always out there.